Welcome back. These products may be harmful to your health. That's the new warning label the Surgeon General wants to put in front of major social media companies like Facebook, X, and Snapchat. It's a development that has parents worried, and that's why Nick Simon talked with experts in our area. He's here for you now with more on this tonight.
That's right, Sherry. I talked with the director of the Eaton County Regional Education Service Agency. Her organization has made it a priority to understand the mental health of kids in our area. And over the years, she's seen the problems get worse.
Really common mental health diagnosis in youth will be depression and anxiety. And those things are really tied to sense of belonging and fitting in and understanding themselves.
She says social media is a big reason why the problem keeps getting worse. And unlimited access to the internet can be damaging to a developing brain.
They are starting to internalize a lot of things that they normally wouldn't have had access to, which is increasing their fear of missing out, their social anxiety, their underdeveloped sense of self, truly.
Experts working with kids also want to see a warning label on social media. But instead of a broad warning like the Surgeon General recommended, Belton thinks the more specific the warning is, the more serious parents will take it.
I actually like more like a rating system, like the movies. You know, okay, this is appropriate for this age, this is appropriate for that age. And I think that would be a little bit more effective and easier to digest.
With all the negative news stories and social data we have now, some parents might think it's a good idea to just ban kids from social media completely. But experts say that can be counterproductive and even makes the problem worse.
We also don't want to isolate them from the norm. They don't want to be the only student in the school or the class that doesn't have access to these things. However, I really strongly encourage open communication, letting the youth know why there would be restrictions, why there are some sites that they don't want them on, but also full transparency. Have every password.
Now, Sherry, the Surgeon General has said that if it were up to him, warning labels like this would already be on the home pages of every major social media site. Back to you.